So your battery just died in a Walmart parking lot at 11 p.m., and you realize you've got nothing in your trunk except old fast food bags and regret. Yeah, we've all been there. And buying a car emergency kit always feels like homework you'll do later, until you're literally stuck on the side of the highway wishing you'd spent 30 bucks. Here's the thing though. Most emergency kits are either missing half the stuff you actually need, or they're so expensive you talk yourself out of it. This winter emergency kit? 86 items. Not kidding. Jumper cables that actually reach, a legit 73-piece first aid kit, and, this blew my mind, a detachable snow shovel that doesn't eat your entire trunk. We tested this thing during that crazy cold snap last month, and honestly, it handled everything we threw at it. The jumper cable saved our neighbor's dead battery. The snow shovel dug out a car that was totally stuck. Everything's in one organized bag with a Velcro strip so it's not flying around your trunk like a rogue bowling ball every time you brake. Real talk. A couple pieces feel kinda basic, and some people's flashlights didn't work out of the box. But for the price? Way better than buying this stuff separately, and way better than being stranded. Parents are buying these for new drivers because it's literally everything in one bag. No assembly, no figuring out what you need, just done. The detachable snow shovel alone sets this apart from every other kit we've looked at. Drop a comment if you've ever been stuck without jumper cables. I want to hear your horror stories. Links in the description. It's on Amazon, and honestly at this price point, it's not going to last forever during winter season. Share this with someone whose car is basically a time bomb of stuff I should probably have. You know who I'm talking about. Stay safe out there, people. Winter's not playing.